I see them put up the flyer, say, them set the record straight. I thought PJ was gonna come apologize to the Jamaican people. I thought PJ Patterson was gonna come and beg you for forgiveness. After all, it was under PJ Patterson where we lost over 40,000 business. Where the rich got richer off the backs of the poor people. While the homeless people here in Montego Bay, St. James were scraped up and carried them at St. Elizabeth got dumped. Jamaica, labor rights, attacking to the PMP too, because we're going to lift the spell off of you. We're going to remove the spell off of our PMP brothers and sisters and make them come to the light. Everything green is all right.